Hey guys, it's Adam. This morning I found out, like most of us, that we didn't have any water pressure out here. So I've got water pressure back now. I hope everybody else does. But so that tells me that the water could possibly be contaminated. It's probably not. I don't know how long it was off. It could have been off all night. But I wanted to show you a quick, other than boiling, way to purify water for drinking quickly and easily in big quantities. And it's the use of calcium hypochlorite. So I'm going to give you this little formula here. Let's see if I can get the camera down there to see it good enough. Calcium hypochlorite, I'll put a picture up too, is basically pole shock. And it needs to be higher than 50% pole shock. And I'm just going to make this an instructional video to show you how to do it real quick, but I'll also do a write-up on it to go with this video. Okay, well, let's get started. By the way, this is kind of what I do anyway. I've done this videos. I kind of enjoy it. Okay, so the instructions are basically taking calcium hypochlorite, and what it is you want to use 1/2 of a teaspoon. And calcium hypochlorite is granular, so it kind of looks like that right there. So let's see if I can get it out of here, and that's the reason for the plate. Okay, 1/2 a teaspoon heaping, and what you do is you put that into whatever water you got. If you got crappy water, put it in that. And we put that in there, 1/2 teaspoon of calcium hypochlorite to 1 gallon of water to make a solution. And we'll mix it around. And in the interest of time, I'm not going to let this sit. I would let it sit for 30 minutes and just kind of keep shaking it around to get it really dissolved really well. Okay, so we've taken crappy water. We've put 1/4 teaspoon of calcium hypochlorite and 1 gallon of crappy water to make a disinfecting solution. Now, with calcium hypochlorite, 1 gallon of disinfecting solution will treat 100 gallons of crappy water. That's a lot. And it's a lot more powerful than your regular household bleach. Okay, so let's move on. So, what does that look like? 1 gallon of solution to 100 gallons of crappy water. We're not going to treat 100 gallons of crappy water in our house just because the water may be contaminated for a little while. You're going to treat, let's make it easy, we're going to treat 1 gallon. You basically do the math, 1 part to 100 parts. So if I wanted to treat 1 gallon of crappy water, and we're going to assume this is my gallon of crappy water, I want to take this solution, that's a disinfectant, and use 2 ounces of it, 2 ounces of the liquid solution to treat 1 gallon of crappy water so that I can drink it and do whatever I want with it. Now, what's 2 ounces? This is a shot glass. And usually, there is no standard for shot glasses, but for every inch in height of a usual shot glass is an ounce. So this is about 2 inches high. This is 2 ounces. So we're going to assume this sat for about 30 minutes. We're going to take 2 ounces of the solution. And I'm going to have to pour a little, well, we're going to assume this is a brand new jug of water anyway. So if this was my crappy water, I would take this 2 ounces and pour it into my crappy water, shake it around, let it sit for a little while. If it's got a really strong chlorine odor to it still and you don't like it, take the water and aerate it. Move it back and forth, from one container to the next, and it gets air in there and it aerates it and it gets rid of that really strong chlorine smell. But that's the quick instructional video. We'll summarize it up again. Pole shock has calcium hypochlorite in it. It needs to be 50% or higher. You use 1/2 teaspoon of powdered calcium hypochlorite. Put that in 1 gallon of whatever water. Shake it around. Let it sit for 30 minutes. Keep shaking it around to get it dissolved really well. That is your disinfecting solution. Now, 1 part of this to 100 gallons of water it will treat. 2 ounces of the solution. Put that in a 1 gallon jug. Shake it around again. Let it sit for about 30 minutes or so. You have drinkable water. Alright, that's my video. Hope it helps some people. Take it easy. Bye.